I really like this climb. It's like a ladder basically. So many limbs that are just in perfect places to climb. It's a nice warm up. I'm going to head over to, where is it? There's a tree over there. I like doing that one, but it's got really smooth bark, so a bit different to this. And then maybe one of the taller ones over there, but it looks like it's going to piss down soon. I like climbing this one as well because you get all this, don't know if you can see it, you can get all this pine resin on your hands. It just makes everything really grippy. It's really good. Look at these, like I guess they're a type of pine cone, I guess. See if there's some that are, yeah, look, and that's what they end up. You wouldn't guess you wouldn't guess that would come from these shiny, smooth balls that look like, I don't know, a chocolate truffle or something. The only problem with climbing trees around here is there's animals that shit around all the trees, but it's the kind of animals that use bog roll. And it's round most of the trees along here. Gross. Right, on to the next one. Right, on to our next one. I really like this one. Look, more bog roll. Got to be careful where I tread here. Here we go. I really like this climb. Especially this part. Got to get on that one and then up onto there and then straight up. It's like a ladder from there. There we go. Oh, so high. Huh. Oh. Beautiful little section. Look at that. Even from up here you can see the bog roll down there. Grim. I mean, we've got a few homeless people who live along these cliffs, so it is what it is, but the last thing I want to do is be treading human shit up a tree when I've got to go back down it again. Whew. I don't know what type of tree this is. Let me know if you know what this tree is. Like, the leaves are quite unusual, and it's smooth bark. Not entirely sure what it is. I'm fairly decent with trees, but I don't know. Maybe not as good as I thought. But these are, yeah, really nice to climb because the branches are so flexible. They don't feel like oak branches where it feels like they're just going to drop a huge limb at any point. Oak feels like hollow in a way. It's horrible. But these are really nice to climb. I climbed up that bit the other week, but I swear I can only do it when I haven't got shoes on, because you get much better grip. But can't be bothered with that today. Let's head to another tree. Oh yeah, because you can climb down these as well. You climb down there. Even this skinny one. Even that skinny one has enough flex to take my weight. Not the heaviest bloke, to be honest, but there's another nice lookout point way up there, so I'll show you that and then we'll head off to another tree. Woo! Right. Such a nice spot. It was a nice sunset the other night, but very overcast today. Okay. Where this limb has grown against another one, it's made like a nice sort of flat edge there, so it always makes it really nice and easy to get back down. Like that. It's like nice over grip. I haven't done this climb too many times. Actually, I think only once, so it took me ages to work out how to get up there at first. I walked around this trunk about 5 times, but then all of a sudden I just found a spot round here. Let's see if I can do it again. I think it is there. I can't remember. How did I do that? How did I do that? Oh, found it. There it is. It was higher. Yeah. How do I do this? I swear I got up there before. Ah, I know. Cross over. Yeah. Okay. Got that. That's good. It's oh, that's horrible. Knackers. Oh yeah, this got jammed foot like that. It's about as high as I really want to go on this one. All these branches are really sharp, all these little dead branches, but I can't really bother snapping them off as I go up, because it's littered with them. Quite a way up though. It's always harder going down than it is coming up. Right. Oh, I hate this bit. Down the foot. Down the foot and climbing down. Not the most comfortable, like climbing like that, but so secure. Just stepped on my lace and nearly fucking undone my boot. I have to sort that out. There we go. Right, rest of the way down. Footage probably looks different to my usual stuff because I'm using a GoPro Session camera, one of the little dinky ones. Thought I'd try it out. My GoPro 10's been seized by the police, but I should get it back in a couple of months. But till then, I thought I'd try out something different. But I don't know. This is the first trial of it. This has sort of been my sport for this summer. I always find something different like each summer, and yeah, this has been it. It's fucking such a good workout. It's like all body workout, full body workout. It's just, yeah, it's quite peaceful. Don't like that dead branch. That one there. There we go. It's sturdy though, but it's dead. Oh, quite a way up still. Don't look down. That's the deal. Look at the branches, but not the ground. That's dead as well. How do I get down there? I've got to go down there. I'm going down a different way here. Yeah, I've got to cross over somewhere. There we go. Got to cross over here. Oh yeah. It's weird because I've always been scared of climbing trees, but never had issues with climbing buildings. But trees are just like unpredictable. If you don't climb all the time, they're really unpredictable. And when I was younger, I fell out of a tree and broke both my wrists. So I think that that sort of just like was embedded and sort of scared me out of climbing trees. But yeah, it's actually really good. And once you get used to it, like get familiar with the types of trees and how they react to your body weight and everything like that, and how slippery they are, it's alright. There's the other one we were just on. Got way to the top of that one. Getting down this last little bit might be a bit tricky, but it's not too bad now. Near the soft grass. Alright, let's see what we're working with. I think I want my right foot in that gap. Other hand, switch around. Oh yeah, that worked really well. It's just started to rain now. I'm going to do one more climb up here. I've not climbed any of them in the rain yet, so I might wake up dead on this one, but should be fine. But I've got some good projects that are coming to this channel, but I just need to wait for my GoPro to be returned, because I need because with this camera you can't replace the batteries, so I need my other one with all the spare batteries, because I'm going to do a long mission. Just been fucking snowed under with so much stuff lately, so yeah, just trying to juggle life a bit. Here's our next one, all the way to the top of this one, and it's really beautiful because there's some huge pine cones up there. I thought I'd just get a video up for you guys anyway, because it's been a while, but as I've been doing this all summer, I thought might as well make a video of it. Right, let's give this one a go. It's quite demanding, this first bit. There we go. God, I haven't done this one in a while, so that was quite hard. Yeah, that was knackering. What the hell? It will all be worth it though. You'll see what I mean at the top. So beautiful. So sharp. Ow. I think every time I climb this one I end up bleeding. Everything's just so sharp. Even these little twigs that are sticking out here. It's just all these dead branches are so sharp. Look at the pine cones. Whoa. That's what I mean. I think this is so beautiful. Such a unique, unique sight. You never, you never see anything like this unless you're at the top of a tree. There we go. There we go. The very top. These are so soft. I love climbing because it just gives you such a different perspective on things that you see every day. Like, look at this. Yeah, there's something very therapeutic about it. We're just missing a nice sunset, but I don't know, the moody grey clouds and a bit of rain, it's quite nice as well. The pine cones and these soft needles. Ow, so sharp, get off me. I had the impression that these would fall off really easy, but to be honest, you could actually use them as a hand grip to climb up. I wouldn't, because they're obviously designed to come off, but they are on so solid up until that point when they open. Look, see a difference? Bloody beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's not one of the hardest trees to climb, this one, but I don't know, I think it's really pretty. Right, slow climb down. Oh, that reminds me actually, yeah, I've got that long mission planned, but I've also got 7 really good urbex locations planned as well. Yeah, it's just a matter of finding time, getting the time to do them, but they'll be coming up soon enough. I love it when people are just walking past. They're like just walk straight underneath you, not realising that you're up here. Because like, why would you look up for someone in a tree? And I think it's funny, like, if you ever like go to take a piss like next to a tree, you look left and right, but you never bother looking up. Could be some creep just sat above you. I'm pretty sure this is the tree that stabbed a hole in my shorts as well, in the arse cheek of my shorts. Right. Now for the fun bit of getting down. Oh yeah, worked alright. Oh. One of the problems is that my shoes didn't hold up to all the tree climbing. That happened a couple of days ago, so that's a bit shit. I did super glue it, it's always my go-to, but it didn't stay, unfortunately. It's because they're like barefoot style shoes, so there's a lot of movement. Like all of that just squashes. So yeah, super glue doesn't really do the job. Yeah, there are, like I say, there are more videos on the way, but you have to be patient, I guess. The chaos of life doesn't allow for a schedule at the moment, so, but yeah, plenty in the pipeline. So until the next one, folks.